PSI Environmental's Hornet's Nest Drain Inlet Filter is a customizable inlet BMP. The Hornet's Nest features a trimmable geotextile skirt, durable 2-inch high-visibility webbing straps, metal carabiners for securing the unit, and overflow holes to prevent backups. Before installing your Hornet's Nest, thoroughly clean the area around the grate. Next, remove your Hornet's Nest DI filter from the packaging and lay the unit face up next to the grate you plan to protect. Remove the grate and place it on top of the Hornet's Nest filter as shown. Ensure that the straps run perpendicular to the longest side of your grate. When ready to reinstall, flip the excess skirt and straps on the top of the grate as shown. Lift the grate and filter and place back into the inlet. To secure the filter to the grate, feed each carabiner through the loop on the opposite strap and hook it to the grate as shown. Once the filter and grate are securely in place, trim the excess material around the edges of the inlet as shown. This creates a neat look with no excess skirt material sticking out above the inlet. You have now successfully installed your Hornet's Nest Drain Inlet Filter. If additional inlet protection is needed, consider installing PSI Environmental's Silt Sifter 2 or similar products surrounding your inlet for extra filtration. Thank you for choosing PSI Environmental. You can visit our website for further resources or reach us by phone and email